Take your film reel, place it on the feeder shaft there, over the first roller, and at this stage I normally put a spring paper clip on to hold the reel so that the film doesn't fall off the sides of the reels. I've shaped the end of the film leader and I'm going to take it over the first and second rollers and into the film gate, into the gate, and you can see the film is, or the leader is going down and is going under the claw here, and as the claw is engaged, let's push it just a little bit further, we can then turn the claw or the cam, and the claw moves up, engages with the next sprocket hole and pulls it down, and every time you rotate the cam from its 6 o'clock starting position down here through 360 degrees so that it comes back to the 6 o'clock position and the home position, that is, then it will draw down the film another frame. When you've got sufficient out so that you can grasp it, you can pull through the leader, release the paper clip so that when we grasp the leader underneath the film gate, we can pull sufficient film or leader and film through. You actually want to get the film into the gate so that, and you can then focus on the first film frames. Now we can thread the film round the tension arm, take the other end of the leader and feed it into the take-up reel. You need to push it in through the slot and make sure there's sufficient in there so that it will lock in there when you turn the take-up reel round. Okay. If we make sure that the cam is turned around and the mark on here is at the 6 o'clock position, the film frame should be perfectly positioned into the aperture of the film gate. And it's very easy to wind the take-up reels whilst there's no power on, but once power's on, the stepper motors are quite difficult to turn. Anyhow, now we'll switch the computer on. Okay, got the capture program running. First of all, got number 1 here. Select the COM port, and I know on this computer it's COM port 3. It tells you how it's set up, in other words the baud rate, the parity and so on. Click on there and it's checked by sending characters to the PIC that its communication with the PIC is okay. Select the camera and now you get the picture that's being seen by the camera. We select the folder where the images will be stored, and we have to put in a folder name. I normally call mine Fred, and it tells me and confirms that it's going to store the BMPs to Fred. And now we've got 3 buttons here. Snapshot will start capture. If we get a break due to the failure of a film splice, then we can pause the capture, repair it and resume the thing. And if we want to stop the film because it's got to the end or something, we can stop it as well. At the moment it's set up to capture 100 shots, so let's start it. So the picture on the left is the one seen by the camera, and the picture on the right is the one of the BMP which is being stored to the hard disk. Okay, the 100 frames have been captured, 0 to 99. These are some times that are used to check processing times. Don't really need them, but I've left them in. And the average speed of capture was 3.88 frames per second. I now press the stop button and lose the capture program. If we look under Virtual Dub to check these, we can go down to where the file is. We can see the picture, and as you saw, it was inverted. If we go into video, click on it, come down, add, select the filter that we want, which is flip vertically, say OK to that, OK to that, and now the right hand half of Virtual Dub screen will be inverted when it's played. So move one frame forward and you can step through the frames and see exactly what you want in the right way up as well. So that's capturing and inspecting the captured frames afterwards, and you can run it, go back to the beginning, okay, so that shows you how you can check what you've captured and get it the right way up. Thank you, that is all.